So 2 years ago, we took some fireworks, we cut them in half with the water jet. We even tried to light one that we cut in half. And this year, we now have a slow motion camera, so we want to see what some of these fireworks look like in slow motion. And then this right here is an aerial firework that shoots up and blows up. So we want to dissect this a little bit more, cut that down, see how it works, and then also do some slow motion shots of that. I came up with this idea because this was probably the firework that I played with the most as a kid, a ground bloom flower. And I just really want to know how they work in slow motion. Like, how do they spin? First off, we'll start with the crackling ball, and just to be safe, we've got our bucket of water, and this is the only fire extinguisher that we have. I think we'll be able to. Yeah, it works. I don't remember how big these go. Hopefully you enjoyed some of those. Next up, we've got this that we need to dissect. So far, we have paper, cardboard, a bit of Scotch tape. Oh, that's going to be easy to pull apart. Okay. Oh, so that's, you just ripped that one out. So that's each individual fuse. And then they're all just taped to the one before it so that they go in a pattern.
You want the first one?
Oh, that was easy. We'll cut this, see what makes this work, and then maybe we'll do a slow motion of one of these going off on the ground. We got some explodey BBs.
It looks like this.
So that's like the wadding, that's the bottom.
Like this is the part that shoots up.
Oh, it comes out completely.
The little piece that shoots up.
So right there they've got wadding so it doesn't shoot out the wrong end. So that's like a hard clay in there. And then they put some powder in there, and that's where the fuse comes in. That lights up and it shoots this section,
shoots that up
out the tube.
Then there's another same thing, another wadding More explodey.
with a fuse burning up into that while it goes up into the air. So it's like a time delay.
Double wadding so it explodes itself instead of shooting.
So it explodes out the side of the cardboard, I would assume.
Yeah.
So we need to get that tubey out and then light that by itself in slow motion.
Mm-hmm.
We will be successful.
We will.
Oh, there it is. Fuse and all. So we just need to light that piece of the fuse.
Yeah, that doesn't sound scary at all.
Thanks for watching, and it's obvious, but I feel like I need to say it. Do not try that at home, but feel free to try it at a friend's house. Is that right?
That's the rule, yep. When I was growing up, I was the friend's house people would try stuff out. So yeah, find that friend. If you didn't see last week's video where we played around with some silly putty, we had a huge ball of it. Go check that out here. If you'd like to see the video that YouTube thinks you'll like, click here. Or if you want to subscribe to see more videos, click my face. Thanks, guys.